Want to unlock the secrets to building a $30 million a year real estate empire? It's all about mastering the art of the referral, and we're breaking down the exact steps the top 1% of realtors use to make it happen. Step 1. Deliver exceptional service that goes above and beyond. Think personalized gifts, proactive communication, and anticipating your clients' needs before they even ask. Step 2. Cultivate genuine relationships. Client appreciation events, birthday cards, and simply staying in touch shows you value them beyond the transaction. Step 3. Network strategically. Connect with related professionals like mortgage brokers, home inspectors, and contractors. They're goldmines for referrals. Step 4. Make it easy to refer. You provide pre-written testimonials, referral cards, and a clear call to action on your website and social media. Step 5. Track your referrals. Use a CRM to identify your best referral sources and nurture those relationships. Step 6. Show your gratitude. A handwritten thank you note, a small gift, or even a public shout-out goes a long way in solidifying the relationship. Implement these 6 steps, and you'll be well on your way to building a thriving, referral-based real estate business.